we are gonna let you in on a secret on how to create amazing designs without hiring an actual designer. Because today, we are going to teach you how to rock Midjourney like a pro. And let me tell you, it's gonna be a game changer. So subscribe to Mobile App Daily and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's understand this image generative AI tool better. Simply put, Midjourney is an AI tool that generates gorgeous visuals based on your prompts. But unlike any image generator, Midjourney uses complementary colors, artistic enhancements of lights and shadows, adds sharp details, and uses compositions with immensely satisfying symmetry. And if you're curious to know what all it can do, stick around till the end of the video to find out. But first up, download the Discord app, join the Midjourney server, and subscribe to the plan which suits you. Now let's get back on how to ace Midjourney with the first tip. Clear and specific prompts. With Midjourney, you have to be clear about what you want. Forget those lengthy prompts, keep it simple, sweet, and to the point. Trust me, Midjourney loves straightforward approach. For example, take a look at this image which we created from a simple prompt like unicorn playing in an open field, green lush mountains in the background. Choose your desired settings. Midjourney gives you plenty of options to play around with different styles. You can create anything you imagine, from realistic scenic view to anime-like visuals, while also controlling the quality of the generated image. Just type in /settings and you can adjust the settings according to your desired parameters. Experiment with tags. You can choose from various tags that can take your creation to new heights. Incorporate the creative tag to generate more distinct and unconventional images, or use the cures tag to control the level of abstraction, since we all know how abstract AI gets sometimes. Who knows, you might end up with a funky abstract design or a color scheme that will blow your mind. Try our prompt generator. Sometimes when we just fall short of words to explain, try using prompt generators like AIPRM or Hugging Face to kickstart your creative process. These tools can unlock new methods to harness the potential of Midjourney. Let's try AIPRM to generate a specific prompt of a photographer in a war zone. Here's the prompt, looks very detailed. Let's copy it to Midjourney server and generate one result. Neat, right? Using images as prompt. If you want consistent results in a specific image style, toss in a URL of your desired image. The generated image will be influenced by both the image you shared and the prompt you provided. You can use even multiple images to get even more specific results. For this, we'll take an image of the Dubai frame from Google. Copy the link to the image, type a prompt, and enter. Let's see what it generates. Define your perspective. Imagine I am asking Midjourney to generate an image of a giant monkey statue near the sea. But I only want the aerial view of this scene. To get that, I will have to specifically mention the desired perspective in my prompt, like aerial view of a giant monkey statue near the sea. And voila, I have exactly what I need. Incorporate negative keywords. Negative keywords are a powerful tool to refine your image outcomes. If you are sure that you don't want the sea in your sunset image, then add negative keywords to your prompts like scenic view of a sunset without sea or water near it. This will save up your time and efforts from making multiple prompts. If all this wasn't enough, you can even face swap yourself with any celebrity or AI image with Midjourney. With the help of Inside Face Swap bot, you can create a digital image of yourself quickly and effortlessly. All it takes is a few simple steps and you will be able to have your own digital self in no time. Download the Inside Face Swap Discord bot, install it in your Midjourney server, use the prompt with the image you want and swap the face in any image you desire. Let's try it with a picture my team just took of me. To swap, let's create an image of Khaleesi sitting on the Iron Throne. Now, let's swap Khaleesi's face with mine using Midjourney. I am truly impressed by the results. Experiment with aspect ratios. Don't limit yourself to standard aspect ratio. Type the AR tag followed with your desired ratio to get the images in the size you prefer. This feature is not only perfect for creative projects but also for collating various images seamlessly. Multiprom and weights. To create prompts with two or more different concepts, utilize the multiprom technique. By separating terms with a double colon, you can ensure each concept or prompt is understood separately. For example, let's try this with a prompt like motorcycle illustration. Now let's separate this prompt with a double colon and retry this. Motor double colon cycle illustration. You see the difference? You can also assign weights to specific terms in your prompt to emphasize or de-emphasize their significance. This fine-tuning helps you to achieve more targeted and refined results. With these tips and tricks, you are now equipped to transcend boundaries and bring your imagination to life using Midjourney AI. Remember to experiment, learn, and most importantly, keep creating. Midjourney is here to aid your creativity, not limit it. Do let us know what next we should come up with in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your amazing Midjourney creations with the world. Happy creating!